The Colobinae or leaf-eating monkeys are a subfamily of the Old World monkey family that includes 61 species in 11 genera, including the black and white colobus, the large-nosed proboscis monkey, the Barbary macaque, also known as Barbary ape, is a macaque species native to the Atlas Mountains of Algeria, Libya, Tunisia, and Morocco. The chimpanzee, also known as simply the chimp, is a species of great ape native to the forest. Orangutans are great apes native to the rainforests of Indonesia and Malaysia. They are now found only in parts of Borneo and Sumatra, but during the Pleistocene they ranged throughout Southeast Asia. Deer, or true deer, are hoofed ruminant mammals, forming the family Cervidae. The two main groups of deer are the Cervinae, including the muntjac, the elk, the red deer, and the fallow deer, and the Capreolinae, including the reindeer, white-tailed deer, the roe deer, and the moose. Gray langurs, also called Hanuman langurs and Hanuman monkeys, are Old World monkeys native to the Indian subcontinent constituting the genus Semnopithecus. The tamarins are squirrel-sized New World monkeys from the family Callitrichidae in the genus Ciguinus. They are the first offshoot in the Callitrichidae tree and therefore are the sister group of a clade formed by the lion tamarins, Goldie's monkeys, and marmosets. Talapoins are the two species of Old World monkeys classified in genus Neopithecus. The yellow-cheeked gibbon, also called the golden-cheeked gibbon, the yellow-cheeked crested gibbon, is a species of gibbon native to Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia. A white stag is a white-colored red deer, explained by a condition known as leucism that causes its hair and skin to lose its natural color. The term antelope is used to refer to many species of even-toed ruminant that are indigenous to various regions in Africa and Eurasia. The kudus are two species of antelope of the genus Tragelaphus lesser kudu, Tragelaphus imberbus, of eastern Africa, greater kudu, Tragelaphus strepsiceros, of eastern and southern Africa. Lemurs are well-nosed primates of the superfamily Lemuridae, divided into 8 families, and consisting of 15 genera, and around 100 existing species. They are endemic to the island of Madagascar. Most existing lemurs are small, have a pointed snout, large eyes, and a long tail. The white tiger or bleached tiger is a leucistic pigmentation variant of the mainland tiger. It is reported in the wild from time to time in the Indian states of Madhya Pradesh, Assam, West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, in the Sundarbans region, and especially in the former state of Rewar. The wild boar, also known as the wild swine, common wild pig, Eurasian wild pig, or simply wild pig, is a swid native to much of Eurasia and North Africa, and has been introduced to the Americas and Oceania. The Bornean bearded pig, also known as the Sunda bearded pig, or simply bearded pig, is a species in the pig genus Sus. It can be recognized by its prominent beard. It also sometimes has tassels on its tail. The Formosan clouded leopard is an extinct clouded leopard population that was endemic to Taiwan. Camera trapping studies carried out in several protected areas in Taiwan between 1997 and 2012 did not record any clouded leopard. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.